I'm there at the world's largest dairy store, Ripley's, believe it or not.
You know, I can understand why that conversation came up between, yeah.
Sorry. Welcome to Stu Leonard's, guys, the world's largest dairy store in Norwalk, Connecticut. It's my first time here. So exciting. Look how big they are. Look at the size of the popcorn. Oh my god. Look at the milk come out from that.
Yeah, right there. Leonard, right there. And I knew
Is that
Stu.
him? Do you
Yeah,
know
that's
him?
Stu. Yeah, I know his daughters too.
Oh wow. Is he
Son
still
Tommy.
around?
See his daughter, of course.
Is that snow? What's that? It must be snow. I'm gonna get one of these, the empty boxes. Okay, I'm just gonna... This is so funny, it makes me feel like a child again. I'm gonna make it do it again.
Here, let me do it. Give me a phone.
Okay.
Much better if I, hold on a sec.
You framing it?
Ready, set, go.
Well, I can pull it. Wow. Wait. I can pull it. Ready?
I didn't get that. I just got that. Ready?
Oh, the train's coming!
It's so much fun to shop around at Stu Leonard's. It's just amazing experience. I love it.
Let's go, bye-bye.
It's not Santa's coming to town. That's a bear teddy bear. So cute. Now look at this super moldy aged meat. Look at that mold. Okay. And we have singing chickens too.
Watch me lay a fresh Stu Leonard egg. Here it comes. But don't forget, mind your appearance. Bye-bye.
Time to get some ice creams, guys. There's so many flavors here. Look, strawberries, pumpkin ice cream. I think that's what I'm gonna get. Yum yum. Pistachios. Okay, Rick, tell me about the story.
So, back in the day, Stu
Yeah.
Leonard's was really just a, see where it says the goat barn?
Yeah.
Something about,
There's
about
a
that
good. I
size.
didn't see that one yet.
About that size, and it was a vending machine that sold half gallons of milk, and that's what it started out, just a vending machine so mothers could grab milk anytime on the run. And there was just this big giant empty lot. And then they, to get people to come, and they brought their families, they put like a little farm out here, and there were like goats and stuff like that. So parents bring their kids to get a half gallon of milk and pet the farm animals. And so that was the beginning of Stu Leonard's.
Wow, bloody amazing. It's such a huge place, like super massive place. Just insane.
Yep.
You can press it for the duck to quack.
Oh, Autumn's at school.
We didn't go to the right over there. That's all their
Or the cows are.
like a whole big nursery of all kinds of shit going across the street. There's Stu Leonard's Liquors.
It's bloody insane.
I would bet you he's making $1 million a day here.
Easy.